Good evening. I made a short clip where I was preparing my vegetable soup, ugu vegetable and bitter leaf vegetable all together. The purpose why I decided to record this cooking was as a result of so many male children. And this is going directly to parents who neglected how to teach their male children some of the important things they need to know. This is not just because of any other person, but because of the male child. We have so many people, so many parents today who hired help, housemaid, just to raise their own male children. And this is not only limited to the male children, we have so many female children as well who don't know how to cook. But I'm so particular today in this content. I'm so particular about the male children because so many times you may live with your parent, but for how long are you going to live with this your parent? You don't know where the journey of life will carry you to. You don't know where the journey of life will carry you to. So in lieu of this, you need to know how to do some basic things like cooking. This was a training I received from home. Now, it's practically useful for me here. Now I no longer live with my parents. Sometimes I even enjoy eating my own food than whatsoever anybody cooks for me. I am a chef. I can cook anything. You know? It doesn't cost me anything to cook anything, as you see me now. These are some of the training I had from home. So parents, this is a wake-up call to so many parents, especially those of you who will bring in somebody's children just to raise your own children. But you are only helping those children you brought in to help your own children, because those your own children, you don't know where they are going, and you don't know the situation they will meet, where they are going. Some of the time, especially here in the United Kingdom, some people don't even know how to cook. Both male and female, you will see some ladies requesting people to cook for them paint rubber of soup. Then they will need to pour it into their own freezer and start just warming up every day, you know. For how long are you going to do this? So you will watch this video. Whatever you wish to say it. Drop your opinion in the comment section. I will appreciate constructive criticism. Anything you want to say about my soup, just say it. I will appreciate. Thank you so much. Today, we want to cook our pocha vegetable soup. This vegetable soup is going to be a mixture of bitter leaf and ugu leaf. So this is now our bitter leaf. We already sliced this, and now because of the bitterness, we need to put hot water to remove the bitterness. So we'll do this. The hot water is going to only be for the bitter leaf. Don't go and put hot water in ugu. It's going to be for the bitter leaf, just to remove the bitterness to certain level. So this is bitter leaf, well sliced, and we already put hot water. So we'll cover it for a while for the bitterness to go. Then we need to continue with the ugu leaf to slice the ugu leaf. So now we are about to start slicing our ugu vegetable, which is pumpkin. So we need to wash this vegetable before we begin to slice, because after slicing we may not be able to wash it very well, because no matter how much you wash it at that time, sand or some small particles will still fall with it. But now we need to wash it very well to make it clean. you know, before we slice. And so now this is our ugu vegetable. We are trying to wash them clean. You see, now you see why I said we need to wash before slicing. If we slice now before washing, we can't easily pick out things like this. Can you see? So we need to wash it and make it clean. So after this one, we are still going to show you after slicing for you to see. This is our ugu leaf now, you know. Make nothing say na shiri will not be shiri. We are doing what so many people cannot do. That's why we are here. You see, these are some of the things you need to wash it well and clean it. Now, this is our boiled goat meat with stocked fish. We've put this on fire for quite some time now. We'll be adding all other ingredients, pepper and everything for this to cook well. So after that, we'll give you the update again and you will see how far we have gone with the soup. Now, we already added our palm oil. This palm oil is directly from myself. We imported this and we are the seller. So if you need good palm oil, you can reach out to us in Northampton. We have it in excess. If you want to buy either 1 liter, 5 liters or whatsoever. Now, we've added our crayfish and our palm oil. Can you see the face of the soup? So kindly watch out. We'll give you the update as time goes on. Now this is our Maggi. I want to put our Maggi now, as you can see. You know? This, you see? You see? See the face of the soup. Make nothing say like this, I chop and me, I not be like this. Another one will start disturbing now. I just want to use this one. Thank God, dude. So I've added salt, I've added Maggi. Now we want this thing to boil for some minutes before we add the bitter leaf. So when we put the bitter leaf, we are going to allow it to boil for a while. And after that, we just add the vegetable, the pumpkin, ugu. We just add it and we'll drop it. So the ugu will not stay longer. Okay? So that it can still be fresh while eating. Okay. So now we have successfully added our ugu leaf to the soup. So we'll give it some minutes to steam up, then we'll bring it down. Then you people will see the final result. So watch out. As chef, we'll serve everybody, then you will see. Can you see? We hope to see a better result. Don't worry. Very interesting. Y'all be happy. See the face last one. I don't have to finish you, so everyone will see. Thank you. Hey. Hey. What a soup. This soup makes sense though. With my Jebu Gari. Hey, I miss Kukuru. Hey, Kukuru, where are you? Oh my shit. This is my soup. Can you see? Now, this is the face of our soup. As you can see, very, very interested. Don't try me. Don't try me. Make I launch this and I go my night shift. That be.